Hello, everybody. Welcome to Chinese Around You, the podcast where we make learning Chinese simple, practical, and fun for learners at every level. I'm your host, Melissa, and today we're diving into a topic many learners find challenging: how to learn Chinese characters. Whether you are just starting with HSK 1 or aiming for advanced levels, these methods will help you remember characters faster and more effectively. Let's get started. First, let's talk about learning characters like pictures. 象形记忆法. Many Chinese characters started as drawing of real things. For example, the character for sun is 日. Look at this character. Doesn't it look like a circle with a line inside, like the sun? The character for moon is 月. It looks like a curved moon shape. Now, you can try this. Grab a pen and a paper, draw a simple sun, and write 日 next to it. Then draw a moon and write 月. Visualizing characters as pictures helps your brain remember them better. This works for many basic characters. For example, shan, the mountain, looks like 3 peaks, and shui, the water, looks like flowing waves. Here is the question. Can you think of another character that looks like its meaning? Tell us in the comments later. Next, break characters into smaller parts. 部件拆分法. Most characters are made of smaller components that have meanings too. Let's take 明, bright. It's made of 日, the sun, and 月, the moon. Together, they mean bright because the sun and moon both give light. Another example, 树, the tree, is mu, the wood, and 对, opposite, combined together. So why opposite? Don't worry, sometimes parts help with sound too. Just focus on the tree part. When you see mu in a character, it's often related to the trees or wood, like lin, the forest, 2 moose, or sen, also the forest, 3 moose. How to use this? When you learn a new character, ask, what parts can I see? Do any parts look familiar? For HSK 3 to 4, you can try mom equals 女, the woman part, and ma, the horse part, together. No, wait. So ma, the horse, here helps with the sound ma. But 女, the woman part, shows it's related to a woman. So you see, even if the meaning isn't direct, breaking it down makes it easier. Finally, learn Chinese characters in real sentences. 语境学习法. Instead of memorizing lists, see how characters are used together. For example, if you learn 你好, hello, you'll remember 你, you, and how, good, together. Let's try a simple sentence. 明天见。明天见. See you tomorrow. So here, 明 bright and 天 day equals tomorrow. 见 see is a coming character. You can practice this. Find a short sentence with new characters. Write it down 3 times and say it out loud. For example, if you're learning HSK2, try 我喜欢吃苹果. I like to eat apples. Break it into parts. 我 I 喜 happy 欢 joy. Together, 喜欢 is like 吃 eat 苹果 apple. You see, it is easy when you know the context. Here is a tip. You can also use the apps like Anki to make flashcards with sentences, not just single characters. Remember, learning Chinese characters doesn't have to be hard. Try these methods. Draw pictures, break into parts, and use sentences. Start with simple characters like 日, 月, 山, and build up. And guess what? These methods work for all HSK levels. Whether you are learning 人, the person, or 电脑 computer. Thank you for listening. If you found this helpful, follow Chinese Around You on your favorite podcast app. Leave a review and let us know which method you'll try first. See you next time and happy learning. 我是 Melissa， 和我一起听懂中文，读懂世界。